Hey human, I'm Braxton Evelyn, the beauty food chick. Welcome to today's delectable episode of Vlogmas, Day 11. Wow, I invite you into the heart of my kitchen as I prepare another Nigerian delicacy. Soul soothing peanut soup, and I'll be pairing it with Tuwon Shinkafa. This masterpiece is crafted with so much love, and it is for a Christmas potluck at my workplace. Now, let's go make the soup. I'm happy to take you through the recipe. Let's go! So I started by grilling my groundnuts in an air fryer. While that is cooling down, I went ahead to start boiling my protein. And the protein of choice today is goat meat. Then I popped my tatase, which is bell peppers, into the air fryer. Then my groundnut is ready and I use this technique. This is a hack that really works. I like to do this in my sink because it is easy to just clean. Because I also have the sieve. Now let's blend this groundnut into a soft, smooth paste. Not too smooth. Now our meat is ready. We blend our tatase, fry the onions. Now your paste isn't smooth. This is what you're looking for. And this is the color I wanted. I want it slightly burnt. While that is frying, let's get our vegetables sorted. By that I mean wash and clean. To this, I bring in crayfish and the dawa. The dawa is also known as iru, or iru for Yoruba, ogiri for Igbo, in English, locust bean. Now, I brought in my groundnut paste and allowed it in the mix, tatase mix, for about 7 to 10 minutes, after which I brought in my meat stock and the meat. I personally do not like to fry my meat because I wasn't brought up that way, and I actually prefer the meat boiled. Do not be scared that this has a lot of water, liquid. No, 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 no. All of that is going to dry up. Bring in your yakua and cook for, say, 2-3 minutes. It has this tangy, tart taste to it that makes your soup really delicious. Then bring in aleyaho, which is also known as amaranthus or elefo, or some people say it is similar to spinach. And there you have it. Our miangeta, also known as taushe, is ready. I did this overnight. I did this in the evening. So now this is the rice we will be using for our Tuwon Shinkafa. Basically, mashed rice or rice swallow. So I washed and soaked this overnight because I want it to be really soft and it will help it to cook really fast. If you do not have the liberty to soak this for overnight, you can soak it for at least 2 hours or 3 hours. So make sure to wash it thoroughly. Get rid of the stones if there is any. So whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, this recipe is an invitation to try something new, to embrace the diversity of flavors that make our world deliciously unique. In my pot, I bring in my rice that I have soaked overnight, and that did not take long to cook. less than an hour, and it was ready. Now begin to mash this because you want it really smooth. Mash that, then bring in hot water to this mix. I repeat, hot water. Cover the pot, allow that to steam. The essence is to further soften it and enhance the cooking process. Then mash again. Basically, Tuwon Shinkafa is known as swallow, rice swallow. You can also say mashed rice, maybe. But hey, when it is ready, this is how we wrap Tuwon Shinkafa in Nigeria. We use something called Santana leather, and this is how it should look. Now I am ready. I got my insulated bag, and we are ready for this potluck. I am super excited that I was able to share my flavors, my techniques, and the joy of bringing people together through food. Thank you for joining me in this immersive 8-minute culinary journey. And let the aroma of tradition and festive cheer fill your senses. Thank you for going on this culinary adventure with me. We made Tuwon Shinkafa and peanut soup. That's all I have for you today. I guess I'll see you in my next video, which happens to be the potluck, Christmas potluck with my colleagues. I will be carrying you through that, eating and all of that.